What's up, everybody? If you're a professional over 40 and you feel like your health is taking a backseat to your career, your responsibilities, or just life in general, you're in the right place. I'm breaking down the Freedom Grind Fitness Reboot 55, which is a step-by-step blueprint program that is designed for to help you lose 50 pounds within 5 months without living in a gym, without starving yourself, and without sacrificing your existing lifestyle. This is about building a body that matches the level in which you operate in your life. Let's get into this. Most people fail in their weight loss journey before they even start because they think fitness has a lot to do with feeling like they're being punished. They associate working out, eating right with suffering. So what do? They avoid it. But here's the truth. We operate off the pleasure pain principle. The real pain is having low energy, being out of shape, clothes not fitting, starting over every week, and not having no time for yourself. What we do is we flip that shit in a reboot. We make discipline feel like power. We make results addictive. We change your identity and not just your habits. And we do that by incorporating these new habits so that way you can get a leaner and stronger body, you can have higher energy, and you can have more confidence. So I'm not speaking from theory about this. I live this shit, y'all. So look at these photos. That was me 42 pounds heavier. I was tired, moving through life, not fully locked in physically or mentally. A lot of you may know that I'm a school principal, I'm a leader, so I have a lot of high demand, a lot of responsibilities. And I use this exact system to drop 42 pounds, rebuild my energy, sharpen my mindset so I can get back in control. And if I could do that at 42 while leading, while working, while managing a building, while being a father or two, you guys can do this too. So the first step in this process, I want to talk about calorie control because we don't guess, we actually use data. So we start with your BMR, what your body burns just to function. We then create a small controlled calorie deficit around 200 to 300 calories. Now, this is going to be key. We're not crashing your metabolism. We're not doing extreme dieting. We're creating a sustainable system that allows you to lose 1 to 2 or more pounds per week consistently, which is exactly how you're going to get 30, 40, even 50 pounds down over a period of time. Next, I want to talk about structured nutrition. Now, food is fuel, but because what you eat matters how much you eat, we use this simple structure. 40% protein, 30% carbs, 30% fats. Protein is the priority. This protects your muscles and keep you full. Carbs give you the energy that you need to actually perform. And fats support hormones, your metabolism, and your overall health. This isn't about complicating your diet. This is about a structure, consistency, and eating like someone who respects their body. Next, I want to talk about the simple training system. You don't need to be in a gym 6 days a week. That's unrealistic. And quite frankly, if you're a busy professional like me, you have kids, you have other things going on in your life, getting in the gym 6 days a week may not be realistic for you. So what we focus on is 3 days of full body strength training. This is going to be tailored specifically for your schedule, which we're going to give you, more efficiency and higher return during those 3 days that you're working out. We're going to increase your movement. We're going to get those steps in. We're going to get you guys moving to between 8,000 and 10,000 steps. If you could do more, that's great. And with that, it's just consistent movement that keeps your metabolism active and support your fat loss with your nutrition. And we're going to build lean muscle at the same time throughout this process. Now, this is as equally important. I want to talk about for a second recovery and how your recovery equals results. And this is how most people mess up during their weight loss journey. They think more equals more results. But if you're not recovering, you're not progressing. Sleep is non-negotiable. You need at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night consistently. Keyword consistently. Because recovery is where fat loss happens. Recovery is where your body resets, rebuilds, and performs. So sleep is going to be important. And in this program, we incorporate rest. And I want you guys to shift your mindset. Don't think about getting rest as you being lazy. Think about it as you being more strategic. Because if we now know, just based on the information I shared, is that your body rejuvenates and builds muscle throughout your sleep, then that's going to be imperative for you as you working out and as you're going to be shifting your diet. So that's going to be equally as important. Now, my accountability system, this is where I come in as your coach, and this is something that I'm really, really proud of in terms of how I hold my clients accountable. And I want to use this analogy. In your career, you have structures, you have metrics, and you have expectations. So, like for me, I'm a principal, so I have a lot of responsibilities and things that is required and expected of me, right? I apply the same shit here, and I apply it to your specific needs and your body. And here's how I execute this. Every Sunday, you'll take progress photos because you need to see the change that's happening in your body week to week. You track your meals because awareness drives discipline. You follow a custom workout plan specifically designed for you, your schedule, your lifestyle, and your access. Because a lot of times, some people may not have access to a gym. You may not have access to workout equipment at home. So don't worry about all that. We structure all of that for you. And everything lives inside my customized app. So I have a customized app that will track all of this progress. As long as you're documenting the app and we're communicating and holding each other accountable, you will see the results that you're looking for. And that app essentially acts as like a command center. And that's how I track your progress. We stay locked in and we see the results naturally happen. So, and that's exactly what I do for my clients inside my program. The Freedom Grind Fitness Reboot 55 is the plan I just gave you. I customize everything in your life, your schedule, your specific goals, and more importantly, how you hold accountable to actually following through this process. Because information isn't the problem, execution is the problem. So let me be real with you guys for a second. Self-accountability isn't enough. You've told yourself you'll start on Mondays time after time after time, more than what you can count. And that's where I come in. I'm your structure. I'm your accountability. I'm your pressure in a good way. Good pressure, guys. Good pressure. And if you're not executing, we have a conversation about it. We address it immediately to help you get you back on track. Because my job is simple. It's to make sure you don't fall off this time. And that's my commitment to you. So if you're ready to start over, if you're ready to finally lose that 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds that you've been trying to do and take control over your lifestyle, click the link below so you can book your consultation. And I'm gonna be real, this is not for everybody. You got to have the right mindset. I understand this is not for everybody, but if this is for you, I'll see you on the call.